Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to your daily Arbitrum update. If you want daily Arbitrum updates, because in this video we'll talk about the technicals, we'll talk about fundamentals, then make sure to subscribe. But welcome, I hope you're doing great, hope you're having a great start of this weekend. And as I said, we'll take a look at Arbitrum, which is going to be pretty interesting. Yesterday evening we actually still managed to get some sort of a bullish breakout above 1.6, which I did not expect anymore. I thought it would be more likely to drop down a bit, and then perhaps if Ethereum also became bullish, then break above that. But this was, well, we got some bullish momentum from Ethereum as well, but Ethereum made no higher highs or had no breakouts. Arbitrum did. So we'll talk about that and just in general, I'll try to talk about everything you need to know. But before we get into that, if you want to receive daily trading signals from me, check out the links down in the description or the pinned comment. And there you'll find instructions on how to join. Now onto Arbitrum. So the biggest thing is, and most of you know that, is that Arbitrum is obviously a layer 2 to the Ethereum blockchain. And after the bullish momentum that Ethereum received after the Shanghai upgrade, we talked earlier about yesterday about the reasons behind that, but Ethereum was bullish after that. Arbitrum just followed that, and we are in a nice rally. Apart from that, I also, and I think I'm not the only one, but a lot of people were still expecting some sort of a rally from Arbitrum. I have expected it for a long time. I bought right here, so I'm finally in profit. But yeah, it was expected. I mean, Arbitrum right now, if you, for example, take a look at it, you can see that it's ranked 33rd. That's just a little bit of a low valuation, I would say. But all right, if we take a look at the technicals, what we did essentially is we broke above this level right here around 1.6. You can see right now that that level has been kind of extended towards this support level around 1.63 and 1.62 cents. And that's now our main support level, and it's pretty strong. It's supported by this trend line right here, as you can see, but also by the 1.618, which is that purple line. We broke above 28 EMA, 50 EMA is getting there at some point. The biggest thing, the most important thing that for Arbitrum right now is staying on top of that level. All right. It's obviously right now it's weekend, so volume is going to drop down a little bit, even though Arbitrum's volume is still up for the last 24 hours. It's one of the only cryptos that is up in the last 24 hours, but all right. So the biggest thing is holding that. So sometimes what you get is that when the volume drops down, you tend to react less to trending indicators. And EMAs, trend lines, they are trending indicators. So the biggest thing is that I think we can at least initially stay on top of it. But then I would say if we actually want to get to our next price target, which is a possibility, I expect Ethereum also to get up a bit higher. So if we actually want to get up to our next price target around 1.9, our current resistance is 1.75, psychological resistance, then I think we would need to stay on top of 1.6 until Monday morning. If we can do that, then I would say the most likely scenario is we can break above 1.75 and move up towards 1.9. All right, so in fairness, I think this is the most likely scenario because I do expect bullish momentum from Ethereum as well. But I just want you to know that if for some reason, and this is completely realistic as well, not necessarily the most probable scenario, but realistic, if we drop down below 1.6, we're in a bit more trouble. Then we'll drop down to this level around 1.5 and ultimately 1.47 kind of. And then if we can hold that and Ethereum can get up to like 2200, all right, then I still think Arbitrum can rally higher, but reaching 1.9 would be pretty hard then. All right, so it's pretty key that we hold 1.6 as a support if we actually want to continue this rally. But that's my take on Arbitrum for now. As I said, I do these daily updates, so if you're interested in that, let me know. But for now, take care and bye.